Hey guys, it's Phil here and you're watching STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I am just at Glenfield station, just going to film some trains for you guys. The train on platform 4 to the left is an all stations to Campbelltown Macarthur service, and the train to the right there on platform number 3 is a train to Edmondson Park and Leppington. We have a train coming over the flyover from Leppington. You have a City via Granville on platform number 2 and a City via Revesby on platform number 1. The City via Granville one's actually going to North Sydney, I believe, and the City via Revesby will be terminating at Sydney Terminal.
Or plan your trip at transport.nsw.info. Thank you. Plan your trip at transport.nsw.info. Thank you, customers. Due to track work on the City Circle this weekend, trains on the T8 airport line run to a changed timetable. All reasons to the city trains will start and end at Central. Most Macarthur services will instead run by Sydenham. If you are travelling to airport line stations, please change trains at Revesby. For more information, check the station track work poster, use one of our real-time apps, or plan your trip at transport.nsw.info. Thank you.
The train on platform 2 goes to North Sydney. First stop Casula, then Liverpool, then all stations to Granville, then Auburn, Lidcombe, Flemington, Strathfield, Burwood, Ashfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Wilson's Point, and North Sydney. train on platform 1 goes to Central via Sydenham. First stop, Holsworthy, then East Hills, Panania, Reevesby, Sydenham, Redfern and Central. On platform 2 goes to North Sydney. First stop, Casula, then Liverpool, then all stations to Granville, then Auburn, Lidcombe, Flemington, Strathfield, Burwood, Ashfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Liverpool, then all stations to Granville, then Auburn, Lidcombe, Flemington, Strathfield, Burwood, Ashfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point and North Sydney. Goes to Leppington. First stop, Bedminster Park and then Leppington. Central. Sydney. First stop, Casula, then Liverpool, then all stations to Granville, then Auburn, Lidcombe, Flemington.
Alrighty folks, that's it for the video.
Burwood,
One second.
Ashfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point and North Sydney.
Okay, cool. That's all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to Sydney Trains Vlogs, favourite the video, and I'll catch you all next time. Bye for now.
Sydenham. First stop, Holsworthy, then East Hill.